Industry studies reveal that there are 9 common costly mistakes that most homeowners make when selling their home. Because of vast changes in the real estate market over the past decade, the traditional ways of selling homes have become increasingly less and less effective in today's market. The fact of the matter is that fully 3/4 of home sellers don't get what they want for their home and become disillusioned and, worse, financially disadvantaged when they put their home on the market. These 9 deadly mistakes can cost you literally thousands of dollars if you're not aware of them. But the good news is, each and every one of them is entirely preventable. In answer to this, industry insiders have mapped out these issues in a report entitled The 9-Step System to Get Your Home Sold Fast and for Top Dollar, to help ensure that you get your home sold fast and for the most amount of money. You can claim your free special report now by following the simple instructions on this page.